Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel video on this water broom and undercarriage cleaner from Ryobi. It's a pressure washer item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so today we're just going to do a quick introduction to the channel video on this guy right here, which is the Ryobi water broom and undercarriage cleaner that you get at Home Depot. It is in the power washer section by the barbecues for my store. US number is 1002-225-133, and the Canadian number for the Canadian viewers is 1001-029-363. There isn't a lot of information on this guy, a lot of specs or anything like that. It is max PSI is 3300 PSI, max flow is 3 gallons per minute, clean path is 11 inches, coupler is 1/4 inch quick connect. That's it. Says debris maximal, you know, in a different language, is 11,000 or 1136 liters a minute. Or 11 liters, my bad. 11.36 liters a minute. You know, it's not really hard to unbox. It's basically, there's no cardboard in the box or anything like that. It's just this sitting in the box. So if you pick it up, you can actually hear it wiggling in the box. And you got a little instruction guide. I bought this to test on the DeWalt power cleaner, the DeWalt 5AH 550 PSI power cleaner. It takes a battery. It's DeWalt 20 volt max. I was using it with a flex volt battery, but I bought it to do testing with that, as well as I'm going to use it on a full-size pressure washer as well. I also have videos coming up either before or after this, I'm not sure. I haven't recorded that video yet, but I did do some testing with a $77 foam cannon from Chemical Guys on the DeWalt 20 volt max power cleaner, 550 PSI power cleaner. My personal opinion, I think on high it's more like 650, 700 PSI, and on low it's more around 500 PSI. The DeWalt power cleaner doesn't state, you know, anything about what the low PSI or the low speed rating is for PSI. It just says 550 PSI max. To me, what I've used it on, what vehicles I've used it on high, it will take off. The DeWalt will actually take off clear coat. It will chip paint. It will do lots of things that the Ryobi power cleaner, the Easy Clean power cleaner, will not do. The Ryobi, I say, is more on par. Instead of the 720 PSI it's rated at, it's more on par with like 150, 200 PSI maybe. The Ryobi is not really that powerful, but I am going to be putting a $77, it was like $80 with tax, something like that, Chemical Guys foam cannon on the DeWalt, just to see how well it will do with foaming. Say if you're in a very far out location and all you got is a bucket of water, and you're just siphon feeding water into the DeWalt, and you know, you have your foam cannon available. You know, how well will it work with a foam cannon compared to that foam cannon being on a full-size pressure washer, whether it's a 1300 PSI, you know, electric or, you know, a 3300 psi and up, you know, gas machine. So those are some of the ideas on some of the content I thought to bring to the channel. So I figured this is no different. The Chemical Guy's foam cannon says it requires 500 psi minimum, and that unit is rated supposedly at 550, even though I feel like it's got more like 600-700 psi on high. I did test it out. It does foam. It's not like extravagant, you know, like it kind of foams like you're doing your dishes, to be honest. But, you know, that might work if you're in a pinch and you need to wash your vehicle and you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll see when I do the video how well it works. I've been tinkering with that foam cannon, trying to figure out if I can tweak it to work a little better on that power cleaner. But I figure we could do the same testing on this and see how well it works with this as well. Because the DeWalt is the only one, the DeWalt 5AH 550 psi power cleaner 20 volt max is the only one that takes the 1/4 inch quick coupler standard pressure washer accessories. The Ryobi has a proprietary design that you cannot use anything other than what they make for it. So if they only make 5 accessories for it, that's what you're stuck with. The DeWalt and the Ryobi power cleaners both are interchangeable on certain things, like the DeWalt doesn't come with a 1 liter and 2 liter bottle adapter, or a 1 gallon bottle adapter where you can just hook it to like one of these bottles right here. The Ryobi does. And come to find out, you can hook those to the DeWalt because the DeWalt's water inlet coupler is the exact same as the Ryobi. So you could, if you have the Ryobi Easy Clean power cleaner unit, and you happen to, for say, buy the accessory pack that they make for the Ryobi Easy Clean, the nozzle pack for 50 bucks, you can use the hose and the adapters on, you know, the bottle adapters and everything on the DeWalt. The nozzles you cannot, because the nozzles on the DeWalt are 1/4 inch power washer nozzles, quick adapt connect nozzles, and the ones on the Ryobi are plastic, you know, specialized configured units. But I figured to give you guys some information, you know, just experimenting with accessories, you know, see how well they'll do on a cordless unit compared to their power washing variant or pressure washer variant. I hope the information's helpful. You know, it's just a quick introduction to the channel video. I wanted to get the information out for you guys so you guys are prepared for these videos to be coming out soon. I always release the introduction video to the channel videos before the actual unboxings and everything like that. And the experimental recording videos of me, you know, using them on things that more than likely they shouldn't be used on. You know, this is a max of 3,300 psi. I'm not even sure it's going to work very well at even 550 psi, to be honest. I have no way of testing what the actual psi is coming out of the DeWalt, just from my experience using pressure washers, because I have a 4,500 psi pressure washer that you can actually drop the gallons per minute on. It will do a max of 4 gallons a minute. You can drop it down to like 1.2 gallons a minute. It's got an adjustable flow, as well as it has a adjustable PSI rating, so you can actually adjust the PSI from 4,500 all the way down to like 200 or 300 PSI. So that's why I'm giving you guys my opinion on the Ryobi. Doesn't feel like 320 PSI, it feels more like 150, 200 from my experience, as well as the DeWalt. In low, to me, feels like 500 PSI. In high, to me, it feels like 600 or 700 PSI. You know, maybe on low, maybe somewhere in the range of 350, 400 at the lowest. So that's just my opinion on and my experiences on that, and why I feel that the ratings are not correct on the box. It feels like the DeWalt is a lot stronger than they claim. And it feels to me like the Ryobi Easy Clean Power Cleaner is actually weaker than they claim, in my opinion. But, you know, you can't go wrong getting both of them and swapping the accessories back and forth. You know, if you're in the middle of nowhere and all you have is a 1-gallon bottle, and you can fill that with water, you know, fill it 3 or 4 times, you might get your job done. But, you know, that's just figured some information I can give you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm not going to make this video any longer. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If you guys have any questions, or you need, you know, me to give you guys some answers on, you know, certain things, you know, let me know in the comments. I will try to get back to you as fast as I can and answer your questions the best I can. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!